So this has arrived in the post, and it's a headlight protector. I've got it from eBay, the link to which will be down below in the where you put links down below. And it's a very, very simple piece of perspex with laser engraving on it. And if I can find my way into it, let's peel the perspex off. This is where I need something sharp so that I can actually get into it to peel it all off. Just to get the edge in. You've got to be careful when you're using knives. There we go. No. I'm trying very hard not to scratch anything here. Oh, I think we might be there. Come on. There we go. So I'll peel this lot off. You will see, I hope, that it is engraved. It's been laser engraved, so obviously I'm going to have to pick these bits off. And this may well be the hardest part of it all. And the idea, of course, is that the engraving is light so that it doesn't interfere with the light passage through the protector. Now, you might say to yourself, but you can get lens protectors all over the place. Yes, you can. But I discovered that I didn't really want to pay 100 and odd quid for a lens protector that isn't, I mean, I get that it's going to cost 1500 quid or so to replace the headlamp if you need to replace it, but quite honestly I still don't think 100 and odd quid is good value for money for saving a headlamp from a flying rock. This, on the other hand, was 18 quid, well 18.99, call it 19 quid, including postage, to have it made. And where it's got this HP, I don't know whether you'll be able to see it, you will when I clear the back off. At 19 quid including postage, it's not going to break the bank. And if it does get stone chipped, which it may well, then again it's not going to break the bank to buy another one at 19 quid a piece. And that's, as I say, including all the fixings, postage and everything else. So let's peel this off, and straight away it becomes apparent. I'll get shot of all of that, and what's going to go on will have that HP 1250 written on it. So I bet you can't guess which bike it's going on. Let me just get rid of the rest of this plastic. This is the protective covering. If the lens protector itself is as tough as its own protection, then it's going to be pretty damn good. So right, there we are. And that's it. That's what it is. Let's try and get it so it's level onto you. Try and move stuff about, David, so that it looks good. There you go. That's what it is. That's what it'll look like. Obviously, I'm going to be cleaning all these fingerprints and everything off it before I put it on. And the fixing kit is here. And it comprises of spacers, because obviously the whole thing needs to be spaced out. Little doohickeys that the screws go through. So the screw goes through that, through the lens itself, through the spacer, and screws into your headlight mounting. I shall show you this. I'll do the install. In fact, let's go and look at it being installed now. Right, so what we need to do to start with is remove 4 Torx headed nuts, bolts, screws, whatever. So here we go. Torx head. I'm trying to do this so you'll be able to see. Obviously we need to keep these. So that's one, and as you can see, it's quite a short little thing. Second one, and the 2 bottom ones. Being very careful not to scratch the paint with this Torx wrench. That's 3, and the 4th one. And that's the 4th one out. So now we offer up the screen itself with the screw through the black blockery offery thing. So we offer that up. And we need the spacer as well, of course. Thought that looked a bit long. Mustn't forget the spacer. So that goes in. And all I'm going to do is just snug it for the time being. A couple of turns just to snug it in. Like that. Then the next ones. We might do this bottom one here first. Sorry if my arm's in the way. Getting the hole. There we go. In the hole. Couple of turns. Snug it up. Just a touch. Then the next one, this may get speeded up a bit in the edit. I'm not going to be able to put the spacer leg on. Again, just make sure that that's taken. Widen out a little bit. That's it. And the last one to go in. So again, cap through, spacer in place, screw goes through, and in we go. And now it just remains to tighten everything up. And wouldn't you just know the sun would decide now to come out. Not over tight. Just tight enough. And that's it, it's in. All that remains is just to click these caps over. and that's the job done. Let's have a look, shall we? So there it is, on its side stand with the protector in place. Nothing much getting through that. Yes, that will do quite nicely. That's it, installed. Dave the mechanic strikes again. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Subscribe if you like it, or give it a big thumbs up. See you later.